Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novia Maharani Siregar. My student number is 2321007. I make this video to do my assignment speaking for professional context. Okay guys, I will share to you tips to become more fluent in public speaking. The first is understand the audience or conversation. In starting a conversation in public, we as a speaker must understand who we are talking to. This must be understood that we can prepare appropriate material and delivery methods so that the information or ideas we provide are easily accepted by the other person. Number two is write the material in the form of bullet points. After we understand who the audience or interlocutor is, we are must determine the material be delivered. In order to better understand the material, you can write in a bullet point. In additional, try to use words that are easy to understand in conveying the materials, given that not everyone has the same knowledge capacity. Number three is insert humor and rhetorical question. Especially when giving a presentation, it is a good idea to insert some humor and rhetorical questions. What is a rhetorical questions? A rhetorical question is a type of question that doesn't require an answer, so it seems like a small talk in the opening sentence. Having humor in public speaking is actually good for breaking the silence so that your presentation doesn't seem stiff. In fact, some audience generally prefer speakers who are good at conveying humor. Interaction with the audience in the form of humor and rhetorical question can make you more confident. Build audience interest in the material that you will convey to them. Number four is look at the audience or the conversation. In looking at the audience, it would be better if you make eye contact with them. However, if you're too nervous to make eye contact, you can word it out by looking at the heads or forehead of the audience. After keeping in views with the audience, you must stay focused on conveying the ideas or material that you have prepared beforehand. Number five is speak slowly. The next tip in public speaking is that you should speak slowly. When you're nervous, it is normal for you to speak fast and not even sound clearly. Therefore, practice speaking slowly so that the material or information you want to convey can be easily understood by the audience. Apart from that, you also need to practice speaking with clear articulation. If in the process you get nervous, you can pause and take a deep breath, then resume your presentation. The number six is practice in front of mirrors and other people. So that your public speaking skill become fluent, you can practice them in front of the mirror, in front of other people. This effort is considered to be able to increase confidence in your public speaking ability. If you are not ready to practice in public speaking, you can practice speaking in front of the mirror. Think of it as even the mirror. There are many audience who are ready to listen your material. Then if you're feeling good enough to practicing in front of a mirror, practice to exercise in front of other people as well. You can invite your friends or your family to pretend to be the audience. During the exercise, don't forget to maintain eye contact with the audience. What should be trained before during public speaking? The answer is practicing speech intonation, body language, articulation, and tone tempo when speaking. Make sure to ask for feedback or input from the people you practice with. Even though they are not public speaking experts, they have a point of view as an audience that listen to your talk. 7 is always think positive. Before starting public speaking, you have to get rid of fears and negative thoughts that are running through your brain. Build positive thought by thinking that you can and you are able to do it. Positive thinking can indirectly grow self-confidence so that your training so far will not be in vain. Number 8 is hold a ballpoint pen or small note. These tips are usually done by those who are beginners in public speaking. When speaking in public, hold onto a pen or not pen so your hand don't feel empty. If you hold a small note, occasionally glance at the note if you forget about the material you are going to convey. Number 9 is avoid fillers words or filler words. What are filler words? In Indonesian, filler words are words that are often used by speakers when they are thinking or nervous. These words are, for example, hmm, eh, and other. It is only natural when filler words are expressed once or twice, but if they are excessive, they will certainly be disturbing. Then, how we do not get used to saying these filler words? Our trick is to practice continuously and understand the material to be delivered. The last is praying. Before carrying out any activities, including public speaking, you must also pray according to your religion and beliefs. If you constantly say good prayer, it can indirectly give you a positive suggestion so that when you do public speaking, you can speak as reliably to you as you have practiced so far. So, those are some tips so can your public speaking will run smoother and the material you convey can be accepted by the audience. Remember, the key to success in public speaking is to practice continuously. Also, if you get criticism and suggestion about how to speak, use it as encouragement to keep going. Maybe that's all from me. At least I said Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.